Good morning, scholars. Happy Monday, and welcome to Module 6, Lesson 11. In today's lesson, we're going to be discussing something we've already started last week, using rules to determine number patterns on the coordinate plane, and some of these patterns are going to be mixed operations. So some of them will use addition, others will use subtraction, and others will use multiplication. We do not have division patterns in today's lesson. So your problem set pages are pages 65 to 66. There's a video in the description that will walk you through every single question on these two pages and will explain the concepts behind it. So make sure you go to the description after this video and click on the first video. It will say problem set video. And then your independent practice, your homework, is on page 67 to 68. Should you need help with this independent practice, there is a second video in the description that will continue to explain some of the concepts that are present on page 67 to 68. If you also need help with these two pages, or really any pages in today's packet work, feel free to call me, text me, or email me. A few reminders for today's lesson and for this week. The first one, I know I just said this, but I want to make sure that this is explained very well. There are two videos for today. I know we usually have one sometimes, but one for problem set to help you with those questions, and one for homework to also help you with the questions on your homework pages. This Wednesday, May 13th, we are going to have our mid-module 6 assessment on Edulastic. That mid-module 6 assessment will only cover plotting on the coordinate planes. The rules and using the operations and the patterns will not be present on this assessment. That will be present on your next one. But for Wednesday's assessment, it will be mainly plotting points on the coordinate plane and reading points on the plane to figure out the x and the y axis coordinates. And lastly, please don't forget your iReady math and your iReady lessons for this week. Remember, your goal is to hit at least 45 minutes for each subject. And here's our math joke for today, also one of my favorites. That's all for today, class. Please make sure you watch those two videos and feel free to reach out with any questions. Bye, 5th grade. Have a great day.